Welcome to the deep dive. We're jumping straight into something really interesting today.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
How making money as a freelance writer, in 2025, it's actually becoming a real thing for more Nigerians.
Ah,
Even if you've maybe thought, writing, English, no, be my thing, that sort of feeling.
yeah, I get that. A lot of people feel that way, I think. The whole idea of being a writer sounds, well, difficult. Like you need perfect grammar and all that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But what if? What if that's not really the whole picture anymore? What if earning from writing now is less about being, I don't know, the next Wool Soyinka, and more about using some clever tools that pretty much anyone can access now?
Okay, now you're talking about AI, right? Like ChatGPT.
Precisely. That's where it gets really interesting. These AI tools, especially ChatGPT, they're kind of changing the game.
Leveling the playing field, you could say?
Yeah, it's becoming almost more like, click, get a draft, and then you edit it. Add your own touch.
Right. It shifts the core skill a bit.
So let's break down what freelance writing even is, just quickly.
Good idea.
It's basically writing stuff for different clients, yeah.
Oh.
And you get paid per job, per article, whatever it is.
And the big plus is the flexibility. You're your own boss, more or less.
Totally. Set your schedule, work from your room, a cyber cafe, maybe even your favorite buka if NIPA behaves.
Yeah, the usual caveat. But seriously, the range of writing jobs opening up for Nigerians, especially with this AI assist, is growing.
It really is. Businesses need to be online. They need content.
They do. And Nigerians are already getting paid for this stuff. Think about blog posts.
Yeah, or website content explaining what a company does.
Email newsletters, too. Those are big. Product descriptions for online stores.
Oh, yeah, tons of those.
Yeah.
And social media captions. You see them everywhere.
Definitely. Plus things like ebooks. People want ebooks on all sorts of topics now.
As scripts. Like for YouTube shorts or TikTok videos.
Exactly. The Nigerian internet scene is buzzing, and someone needs to write all this stuff.
And this is the key point. AI, specifically ChatGPT, can help you write all of these things.
It's like having a super fast assistant, isn't it? It gives you a starting point.
Right. It doesn't replace your brain, but it gives you that first draft.
Let's make it concrete. Imagine, say, a small business in Lagos selling natural hair products.
Okay.
They need a blog post for Nigerian women. You could literally tell ChatGPT, write 500 words for Nigerian women about using shea butter for hair. Keep the English simple.
And boom, it spits out a draft.
Pretty much instantly, yeah. But, and this is crucial, that's not the end product.
No way. That's where you come in, your understanding of Nigeria.
Exactly. You take that draft and you add the Nigerian flavor, as our source put it.
What does that mean, exactly? Like adding local slang?
It could be slang, yeah. Or referencing things people here understand, cultural points, maybe swapping a generic phrase for a Nigerian English one that just fits better, making it relatable.
Gotcha. Okay, let's talk about someone actually doing this. There's a story about David, right, from Kaduna.
Yes, David's story is a great example. He's a 300-level mass comm student. So this isn't some expert with years of experience we're talking about.
And how did he get started?
He found a gig on Facebook, believe it or not. A Lagos tech startup needed blog articles.
Just through a Facebook group. Wow.
Yeah, it shows how accessible these opportunities can be. And his process was really interesting.
Tell me more.
He uses ChatGPT for the first drafts. 4 articles a month.
Okay. And the pay?
He gets $12,500 per article.
Wait, so that's $50,000 a month? While he's still a student?
Exactly. 50,000 Naira. It really shows the potential, doesn't it?
It really does. So what's his workflow?
Yeah.
ChatGPT, then what?
Simple. ChatGPT draft first. Then he adds Nigerian examples, makes it relevant. Then uses Grammarly, the free version, to polish the grammar.
Ah, Grammarly. Good tool.
Very useful. Then sends it off, gets paid. Straightforward.
That really brings it home. It's not some abstract idea.
Hey.
Okay, so for someone listening thinking, right, I could try this, where do they find these gigs in Nigeria?
Good question. Facebook groups are a big one. Serious.
Search for what?
Yeah.
Freelance writers? Nigeria.
Yeah, or content writers needed, things like that. You'll find clients posting jobs, often daily. It's quite direct.
Okay, besides Facebook.
WhatsApp groups are popping up too, communities of writers, small business owners. Jobs get shared really fast there.
Need to be quick then.
You do. Then there's LinkedIn. More professional, maybe.
Right. Build a profile.
Yeah, optimize your profile, show you're a writer, maybe post some samples you've worked on with AI. Clients might actually find you.
Interesting. What about places like Fiverr?
Definitely Fiverr. Set up a free account, list your services. I write blog posts, I write product descriptions, and add those samples you generated and edited, Lots of Nigerians use Fiverr too, not just international clients.
Okay. Upwork. I hear about that one too.
Upwork's another big platform. It can take a bit longer to, get established there, build up reviews.
Right. More of a long game, maybe.
Potentially, yeah. But it can lead to more steady, ongoing work if that's what you're looking for.
And you mentioned something surprising about local businesses.
Oh, right. Don't underestimate just walking into local places.
Like where?
Your local school, a salon, maybe a church office, even the POS guy down the road.
Seriously. What do you say?
Just ask. Hi, do you need any help with writing things for your business? Social media, maybe? You'd be surprised how many say yes or know someone who needs help.
Huh. Never thought of that. Okay, money. Let's talk Naira and Kobo. What can someone realistically expect starting out?
Okay, need to be realistic here. Beginner rates in Nigeria, maybe 5,000 to 15,000 for a blog post, something like that.
Okay, that's a range. Product descriptions?
Those are usually shorter, so maybe 500 to 2,000 per item. Depends on complexity, of course.
And ebooks, you mentioned those.
Ebook ghostwriting can pay quite well, but it's more work. Could be anywhere from a 50,000 up to 200,000 or even more for a decent length book.
Wow. Okay, so let's do some quick math. If someone managed, say, 2 articles a week.
Let's say at 10,000 each, just as an average.
Okay, 10K times 2. That's 20K a week.
Times 4 weeks. That's 80,000 a month. Extra.
80,000 Naira. That's
Yeah.
significant for many people, side income or even main income eventually.
Yeah, absolutely. And you can scale up from there as you get faster and better.
Right. So what tools do you absolutely need? Does it cost a lot to start?
That's the beauty, really. Not much cost up front. You obviously need ChatGPT, which has free access.
Okay.
Then Grammarly for checking your edits. Again, the free version is pretty powerful.
Doable.
Canva is great if you need to format an ebook or create simple graphics for social media posts. Lots of free templates.
Canva's amazing, yeah.
You'll need somewhere to write and share.
Yo.
Docs is perfect and free.
Right.
And then getting paid.
Yeah.
Locally, Paystack or OPay are common choices. Easy to set up.
Okay, sounds very doable. Now, a warning. You mentioned this before.
Yes,
All right.
super important. You absolutely cannot just copy-paste what ChatGPT gives you.
Why not? Isn't that the point?
No. Well, the point is the assist. The value you add is the editing, the checking, the adding of relevant Nigerian examples or stats, making it sound unique, fitting the client's brand.
Ah, I see. So the AI output is just raw material.
Exactly. If you just copy-paste, it's often generic, might have errors, and frankly, clients can spot AI-only content sometimes. It lacks that human touch, that specific context.
Okay, crucial point. Don't just copy-paste. Add value.
Add value. That's your job.
So for someone listening right now, feeling motivated,
Yeah.
what's the first step? Like today,
Yeah.
what can they do?
Okay, action plan. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT. Ask it to write, say, 3 short blog posts. Pick topics you actually like or know something about.
Just to get a feel for it.
Exactly. Step 2. Edit those drafts. Seriously edit them. Make them better. Make them sound like you. Add some Nigerian context if you can. Save these. These are your first samples.
Okay, got samples then.
Step 3. Create a profile. Maybe Fiverr to start or LinkedIn. Upload those samples. Make it look professional.
Show what you can do.
Right. Step 4. Start telling people. Friends, family, put it on your WhatsApp status, your Facebook. Hey, I'm offering writing services now.
Get the word out.
Yep. And step 5, join those groups we mentioned. 3 Facebook or WhatsApp groups for Nigerian writers or freelancers. Start looking for opportunities.
Okay, that sounds like a clear plan.
It's a start. And doing that, you can genuinely go from, I know Sabi, right, to potentially earning, 50K or more a month. It's possible.
So wrapping this up, the big takeaway seems to be that AI has really, really opened the door here.
It absolutely has. Freelance writing isn't some exclusive club anymore. It's much more accessible for Nigerians now, even without that formal writing background.
It's about using the tools smart, adding your unique perspective, your Nigerian context.
And tapping into that huge demand for online content right here. It's practical.
Definitely practical. Okay, final thought for everyone listening. With this door being opened by AI, what could an extra income stream earned through writing actually mean for your life? Seriously, think about that.
Yeah. And what topics, what things are you actually interested in that you could maybe start writing about using these tools?
Something to chew on. Thanks for taking this deep dive with us.